given that MPN is a straight line, I need to work out the ratio of AP to PB. So where is my MPN? MPN is here. So what if it is a straight line? If they are straight line, you can tell that vector MN will be parallel to vector MP. You can express them as a scalar multiple. And you can also say the MN is going to be parallel to PN. So whichever that is comfortable for you. Now what is the idea behind this parallel vector? So let's look at this particular diagram here. So can you see on the x you are moving 1 unit and on the y you are moving 2 unit. That's why the vector A is written in a column format 1, 2. So similarly for B, how much are you moving on the x? It's 3. And how much are you moving on the y? It's 6, which is exactly written in this example. Now, do you think A is parallel to B? Yes. What is the reason? Because they are scalar multiple of each another. You have already learned this. It's like vector A, it's equal to, like 3 times by vector A is equal to vector B. But now there is another hidden concept which you can actually see. What is that? If you take the ratio of the x part and you compare it with the ratio of the y part, do you think they will be same? It's like this: 3 divided by 1, I am getting 6 divided by 2. They are the same. It is always 3. So I am going to use this concept in order to help me to solve the problem. Okay, now I already have my possible vectors to look for. So what I am focusing on now, I am going to look at the vector MN and vector MP. Why? You will see along. Okay, what information do I have from the question? They're telling M is the midpoint of OA. So this part and this part is equal. And they are telling me OA is equal to A. Therefore, this is going to be half A and this is also half A. Next, they are telling the BN is equal to 2 times my OB. So what is OB given as? OB is given as vector B. Therefore, this is going to be 2B. So I'm going to write in the direction of OA. I'm going to put arrow this way. So when you want to switch, you switch it later. Huh? Okay, now, so from here, can I find my MN? Yes. What is my MN? My pathway is MO plus by ON, which will give me negative half A plus 3B. Okay, next, I need to find out the MP. Why do I want to find the MP? Because I want to compare the coefficients here. I know the ratio of coefficient of my A. It's going to be equal to ratio of coefficient of my B. So this is my idea and I want to apply this. So I already have a A part here, negative half A plus 3B. My coefficient is half. Let's take this. This one is negative half and the coefficient for the B is 3. So I have to find something similar for my MP now. So how do you find the MP? Which pathway do you want to take? Can you do MPS, MO plus OB plus BP? Of course you can. You can definitely do this. It's just that you don't know what is BP. So this is still unknown. Correct? Or maybe your other path is MA plus by AP. Still, this part over here, it's still unknown. I'm not sure what is my BP and I'm also not sure what is my AP. So in that case, what I'm going to do? I'm going to try to read the question again. Question is telling me ABP is also a straight line. If they are straight line, it means they are also parallel to each another. So to make things easy, I am going to put a K here, a scalar here. And I'm going to write my AP is equal to K times by AB. Okay, from here, I am going to use the second statement to help me to find my MP. So what is MA? My MA is half A and my AP is going to be K, scalar K times by vector AB. So how do I find my AB? Don't you think AB is easy for you? I think all of you can express this as a position vector. It is OA plus by OB, which will give you negative A plus by B, right? So I'm going to take that and I'm going to apply it here. Similarly, half A minus KA plus KB. So A and the B is your vector pathway. So let's collect them together. What will I get? Half minus KA and then K vector B. So now I managed to find my MP and my MN. I am going to use the idea of parallel. Why? Because they are giving me MPN is a straight line and I'm going to compare the ratio of the coefficient. So how do we do this? Let's check. See, look at this. This is the A. So this part is going to be the A. So what is the coefficient? So the ratio of coefficient of vector A, if you compare that, you will get negative half divided by half minus K. You keep this. Now you do for the B. The same method, find the ratio. And what will I get? Okay, let's take another color. You see here, it's a B here and also B. So you compare. So you're going to get 3 over K. So we merge this together now. So what can I write? Negative half minus. You don't have to simplify. You try to do cross multiplication directly here. So what will you get? Negative K over 2 equals to 3 over 2 minus 3K, which will give me 3 minus half as 2.5. And then I have 1.5 over here. So when you divide, it's going to be 3 over 5. So you got your K value now. So where is my K? My K is here. This one. Can you see that? So you are telling me, your AP is equals to 3 over 5 of your AB. In that case, if this is 3 over 5, what will this part be? It is going to be 2 over 5 because the total portion of this is considered as a 5. Right? So this is going to be 2 over 5. Now you can write the ratio easily. So AP to PB is going to be 3 to 2.